So boom, M3 Braun here. I'm currently at work. So I pretty much drive for work, and I live in Cincinnati, Ohio, like I've said before, but right now I am in Akron, Ohio. That means I'm about 20 minutes away from ECS Tuning. So today I just want to go to ECS Tuning and check it out. I've never been. Seems cool. And since I'm out this way, I'm like, oh, okay. I want to check out the facility that I bought, most of my parts for my E36 M3 and E46 M3. So let's see what's going on. All right, so before we get to ECS, it is currently snowing in Ohio, if you can't tell. But in Akron, it's like coming down more than it is in Cincinnati at the moment. In Cincinnati on Sunday, it's supposed to be like, I think like 7 to like 14 inches of snow or whatever. It's supposed to be thick. But no, as of right now, the roads aren't bad. And I'm excited to, pull up to ECS. I will see you guys there. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We're at ECS. We are at ECS. I don't know why, but I am like pretty excited to go in here. Don't hate me. Do not hate me. I'm sorry. Did not realize it was a closed facility and they do not like do tours or anything. But that's cool. It's okay. I got to check it out. I know where it is now. So that's awesome. Somewhere I order a bunch of parts from. Got to see it. Hey. Said we got to see it. So, hey. So I will catch you guys a little later. So it is the next day. I had a long day yesterday. Like 7 hours of driving. That's besides the point. I'm back in Cincinnati. And like I said yesterday, it's supposed to snow bad. Like tonight, going into tomorrow, it's not supposed to stop till Monday. So I had to fill the workhorse up with coolant so I can drive that in the snow. This is the best car I have in the snow. I'm going to show you. Okay, next day again. And like I was saying, it's Sunday and it's snowing bad. So I'm about to take the Disco 2 out in the snow. There's the M3. It's covered. Defender, not too bad. I might take that out later. But this, in general, what's going out? The Disco 2 is an absolute unit in the snow. I can't tell you how many people I pull out every single year. It's just a beast. It does the thing. Okay, so we are on the main roads in Cincinnati, Ohio. And man, they are extremely covered. Like, look at this. It's bad. So you know what we're gonna try to do? We're gonna try to go up a few hills and see what happens. But like I said, the Disco does really, really well in this type of weather. And this is the hill I want to try to go up. I think it'll make it up here. It's not that steep. See, the hill I really want to try is in Pleasant Ridge, the one going up near the fire station. But from a standstill, this thing is like, it had no issues. No issues. But it's extremely cold, so the gauge cluster is not working at the moment. That's okay. It's cool. It happens. But yeah, we're gonna try to go up this hill, and I will see you guys in a second. Okay, me and my dad are in the Disco, and this is the hill I'm talking about. It is a pretty decent slope. Like, it's not too steep, but it's like just a long way up. Disco, the unit, my dad's in there, and it's just like, it's covered, man. I'm excited. But look, this is what I was saying. With the Disco 2, it has the 3 Amigos and it has a check engine light. But it does what it needs to do in this weather. Can't complain too much. All right, so we're gonna go up this hill now and see if we get stuck. As of right now, it's doing its thing. I'm gonna stop in the middle. Let's see. Quick stop. Okay, we're stopped. Now let's see. Woo! Like nothing. Like butter. Like butter. That's why I love this car. I will never get rid of this thing. Here we go.
Welcome, guys.
Oh yeah.
No issues. No issues at all. Okay, so as you can see, I just pulled that van out of the snow. Boom, this thing's a beast. But let me give you a little formal introduction. So this is my 99 Land Rover Discovery 2. We call it JP. What's that short for? Jurassic Park. This thing's a unit, dude. I'll be honest. So a few weeks ago, I was driving this and I smacked the deer, but man, you can barely tell. Like this thing just does what it needs to do all the time. All the time. I love it. My favorite winter vehicle. I will forever have this car. Didn't expect to pull that many people out of the snow this soon, but that's done. So now I'm going over to my grandparents' house and getting the snow for their cars. In the unit. We have made it. There's a disco. There's their cars. My cousin's coming out. He's going to help me shovel around the cars. I'm going to get the snow off the cars. And I will see you guys when I'm done with that. All right, so my cousin and I, we cleared out a good chunk of snow where my grandparents' cars are, just in case they need to go anywhere. They shouldn't, but you know, just in case. So as you guys can tell, today has been an eventful day. My dad and I were riding around for about 2 hours pulling people out of the snow, which I try to do every year around Cincinnati, Ohio in my neighborhood because I enjoy doing it. I enjoy helping people. With that being said, thank you guys for sticking around to the end of the video. I hope to see you guys next time. Please like, please subscribe. I will see you then.